So peaches are in season. We've got some perfectly ripe peach here. Cut it across until you feel the pit and then just twist it. Lay it flat side down and roughly slice it. Then dice. For the stone, if it's too stiff, you can slice it once more and then you should be able to tear it like easily. Dice it as well. In a saucepan, add in all your fruits and squeeze in 1 lemon juice. And then add 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer. Stir occasionally and you should start seeing some liquid coming out from the fruits. Keep it on medium-low heat until the liquid's evaporated. Meanwhile, finely chop some chili. This is optional. Finely slice basil leaves. Use the seasoned potato masher to mash the peaches. You can leave some chunks if you like or mash thoroughly. Add in chopped basil leaves and chili and then mix well. To check if the jam is ready, spoon 1 teaspoon of the jam onto a cold plate. There shouldn't be any liquid running. We're gonna sterilize the jars. Pour boiling water all over in the inside. Use a seasoned oven glove, flip the jar upside down and then submerge the lid. And then sterilize the seal as well, but make sure you dry it completely before you seal the jar. So we've got this piping hot jam. Use a ladle and scoop it into the hot jar. So leave around 1 centimeter from the lid and then close it. So to pair with our peach jam, we're gonna make a whipped goat cheese spread for our sourdough. So add in goat cheese, they have to be room temperature, cream cheese, drizzle some olive oil, zest in some lemon. This will add like a really nice refreshing balance for the goat cheese. And then lemon juice. And then whip it up. And then you want to whip it to this consistency where it's very airy and light. We've got some sourdough slices here. You want to brush some butter on the other side as well. So the griddle pan is now preheated. Place the sourdough across the lines and then flip it halfway through. So to plate it, we're gonna spread some jam. And for a nicer presentation, we're piping the cheese on top. And then finish with some lemon zest on the cheese. Use the seasoned tweezers to add a little bit of baby basil as a garnish.
It's a perfect combination, that lovely creamy, slightly sour cheese with the sweetness of that fruit. Absolutely delicious. This is definitely one you should give a go. Cheers.